Dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Dear friends, today we are going to start chapter number 10, that is division of polynomials. First point of this chapter is introduction to polynomial. Means what is called polynomial. Now as you know that expression having one term we call it monomial, expression having two terms we call it binomial, expression having three terms we call it trinomial. In this way, one general word is polynomial. Here in this expression, more than two terms will be there. If index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number, then expression is called polynomial. That is the condition given there. It is one variable, expression in one variable, or polynomial in one variable. There will be only one variable. Two variables will not be there, only one variable. Therefore it is said that index of each term of algebraic expression in variable is a whole number. Index should be whole number. If index is negative, irrational number, fraction, then that is not a polynomial. For example, here you see x square plus 2x plus 3. See indices now. Here index 2, here 1, here 0. Index of constant number is always 0. All three are whole number. That's why this is a polynomial. And trinomial. Type of polynomial is trinomial, three terms. Here you see 3y cube plus 2y square plus 4y plus 5. See indices 3, 2, 1, 0. All indices are whole numbers. That's why this is also a polynomial. And type we call it polynomial because more than three. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, and more than that we call it in general polynomial. But condition is that all the indices should be whole number. Now next point is degree of polynomial. Degree, it is very easy. Degree of a polynomial. Now here only I explain. What is degree? Highest index. Definition, if you want highest index of polynomial is called a degree. Means you see all of the indices and which number is highest, that is called degree. Here you see here 2, here 1, here 0. What is highest? 2 is highest. Therefore degree is 2 here. Here you see 3, 2, 1, 0. What is highest index? 3. Therefore degree of this polynomial is 3. In this way we can find out degree. Degree means highest index of all the indices. That is called degree. First point of this chapter is to divide a monomial by a monomial. Now practice set 10.1 is based on this point, to divide monomial by monomial. Example number 1 is divide. We have to divide it and write the quotient and remainder. Okay, now let's see solution. Now here 21m square. This is dividend, 21m square. This is dividend. Divisor is 7m. We have to divide by 7m to 21m square. Now method is very easy. Here explanation we have to write. Okay, here we have to write explanation. Now what we have to do, see here 21m square. Here we will solve by vertical way. 21m square divided by 7m. Okay, now easy method is equal to. Now here we can factorize 21 as 3 7s are. Correct? 3 7s are 21. And m square we can write as in product form m into m upon 7m. 7 is prime and m is single variable, m as it is. Okay, is equal to. Now like terms cancel. 7 cancel and this m also cancel. Then what is left? You see 3m. This 3m write as a quotient up here. 3m. This 3m is quotient that will come here. Now here what to write? Now the quotient, whatever quotient we got, multiply. Here we divided, now here you multiply by divisor. We have to multiply here, multiplied by 7m, means first division and then multiplication with the quotient. Now see what is product. 7 3s are 21, m into m square, and this term will come here down, 21 m square. Now here we have to subtract. When we do subtraction, we have to change the sign of second term, means this term. Here is plus, we have to change it into minus, means opposite of this we have to take. Now here is plus 21m square, new sign is minus 21m square, plus minus cancel, its value we get 0, and therefore example is over. When we get remainder 0, then example or division is completed. Therefore now this is quotient. What is quotient? We have to write quotient and remainder also. Quotient is 3m, and what is remainder? Remainder is 0. In this way, this division is completed. Now let's see example number 2. First write in division form. 40a cube is dividend and minus 10a as a divisor. Okay, here minus sign. Here explanation. Now write it by vertical way. 40a cube upon minus 10a is equal to. Now factorize 40, or directly also you can do, but 40 we can factorize at 10 4s are. Okay, here is 10, no? That's why 10 4s are 40. A cube we can write as a 3 times in product form, upon here is minus 10 into a. Now like terms cancel, 10 will cancel, a also I cancel here. Now what is left? You see 4a square, correct? 4a into a, 4a square, and here is down minus 1. In denominator minus 1 is there, therefore give minus sign to the numerator, means minus 4a square is the quotient. Right here up, minus 4a square. After getting quotient, first term of the quotient, multiply it by divisor again. Multiply by divisor. Divisor is minus 10a. Now product. Here is product, that's why minus minus plus. 10 4s are 40. A square into a cube, and this we have to write here down, 40a cube. Now we are going to subtract, change the sign of second term, means here original sign is plus, new sign minus, and here 40a cube minus 40a cube, value 0. Example is completed, division is completed. Therefore here we have to write quotient and remainder. Quotient is minus 4a square and remainder is 0. In this way division is completed. See example number 3. Minus 48p raised to 4 divided by 9p square. Now in explanation write by horizontal way, by vertically here. Minus 48p raised to 4 upon 9p square minus, now factors of 48, 16 3s are 48, p raised to 4 write as p square into p square, p square into p square, p raised to 4. Factors of 9 3 3s are p square as it is. Now 3 will get cancelled and this p square I cancel. What is left? Minus 16 p square. Now minus 16 p square upon 3 is also here, upon 3 is quotient. Therefore I write here minus 16 upon 3 p square. Now here we divided, now multiply by divisor again, multiplied by 9p square is equal to, this is explanation, 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now 6 minus 16 3s are 48, p square into p square, p raised to 4, and this term we have to write here down, minus 48 p raised to 4. Now we are going to subtract, change the sign of second term. Here original sign is negative, it will be positive. Now here minus plus value 0. For remainder we get 0. Therefore here quotient is equal to minus 16 upon 3 p square and remainder is 0. In this way this division is completed. Example number 4. 40 m raised to 5 is dividend. Divisor is 30 m cube. Explanation: 40 m raised to 5 upon 30 m cube is equal to, now factors of 40, 10 4s are m raised to 5, right, adds m cube into m square, because it is m cube, no, for cancellation m cube into m square, m cube m square m raised to 5 upon factors of 30, 10 3s are m cube as it is, that will cancel. Now cancel like terms, 10 cancel, m cube cancel, what is left now? 4 upon 3 m square. Okay, 4 upon 3 m square. This is one term of first term of quotient. Over here I write 4 upon 3 m square. Now division is over. Now multiply by 30 m cube. Now reduce here, 3 1s are 3 10s are. Now product, 10 4s are 40, m square into m cube, m raised to 5, and this term right here, 40 m raised to 5. Now change the sign of second term. Here is plus, new sign minus. Now here plus, here minus, and these are like terms, 0. Therefore quotient is equal to 4 upon 3 m square and remainder is 0. In this way this division is completed.